Hello, and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into a fascinating topic that affects all of us, nerve health. We'll be discussing the top 8 foods you can add to your diet to support and protect your nerves. Whether you're dealing with nerve pain, looking to prevent nerve damage, or simply wanting to optimize your overall health, these nutrient-packed foods can make a huge difference. Stay tuned as we explore how everyday foods like salmon, eggs, and even avocados can help keep your nerves functioning at their best. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions, and be sure to check out our previous videos for more health tips and insights. Number 1. Salmon. Salmon is a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties and support nerve health. These healthy fats help build cell membranes, including those of nerves, and improve nerve transmission. Salmon also contains vitamin B12, which is essential for nerve health and can help build the protective coating around nerves. Eating salmon or other fatty fish, like sardines and mackerel twice a week, can help reduce the risk of nerve damage. It's important to note that farm salmon may have lower levels of omega-3s compared to wild salmon, so opt for wild-caught salmon if possible. Overall, adding salmon to your diet can be a delicious way to support your nerve health. Number 2. Eggs. Eggs are a great source of vitamin B12, which is essential for nerve health. This vitamin helps build the protective coating around nerves, called the myelin sheath, which helps nerve impulses travel faster and more efficiently. A deficiency in vitamin B12 can lead to nerve damage, so including eggs in your diet can help support your nerve health. Eggs are also a good source of protein, which is important for overall health and can help repair and maintain nerve cells. Plus, eggs are versatile and can be cooked in many different ways, making them an easy addition to any meal. So, don't overlook the humble egg when it comes to nourishing your nerves. Number 3. Dark leafy greens. Dark leafy greens like spinach and kale are rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, which help protect nerves from oxidative stress and inflammation. These greens are also high in folate, which is important for nerve cell function and repair. Folate helps produce and maintain new cells, including nerve cells, and a deficiency can lead to nerve damage. Additionally, dark leafy greens contain magnesium, which is important for nerve function and can help reduce nerve pain. Incorporating dark leafy greens into your diet can be as simple as adding them to a salad, smoothie, or sautéing them as a side dish. So, make sure to include these nutrient-packed greens in your meals to support your nerve health. Number 4. Berries. Berries, such as blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries, are loaded with antioxidants, which help protect nerves from oxidative stress and inflammation. These fruits contain high levels of vitamin C, which also has antioxidant properties and can help support nerve health. Berries are also a good source of fiber, which helps promote healthy digestion and can reduce inflammation in the body. Some studies suggest that blueberries, in particular, may have neuroprotective effects and help improve cognitive function. Adding berries to your diet is easy, as they can be eaten fresh or frozen and make a great addition to smoothies, oatmeal, or yogurt. So, don't overlook the power of these little fruits when it comes to nourishing your nerves. Number 5. Avocado. Avocado is a great source of healthy fats, including monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which can help reduce inflammation and support nerve health. These healthy fats help build cell membranes, including those of nerves, and can improve nerve transmission. Avocado is also a good source of vitamin E, which has antioxidant properties and can help protect nerves from oxidative stress. Additionally, Avocado contains vitamin B6, which plays a role in the production of neurotransmitters, the chemicals that help transmit signals between nerves. This versatile fruit can be used in a variety of dishes, from smoothies to salads to guacamole. So, incorporating avocado into your diet is a tasty way to support your nerve health. Number 6. Nuts, such as almonds, walnuts, and cashews, are rich in healthy fats, which can help reduce inflammation and support nerve health. These fats help build cell membranes, including those of nerves, and can improve nerve transmission. Nuts are also a good source of vitamin E, which has antioxidant properties and can help protect nerves from oxidative stress. Additionally, nuts contain magnesium, which is important for nerve function and can help reduce nerve pain. Eating a handful of nuts as a snack or adding them to oatmeal or yogurt can be a simple way to incorporate these nutrient-dense foods into your diet and support your nerve health. Number 7. Whole grains. Whole grains, such as whole wheat, quinoa, and brown rice, are a good source of B vitamins, which are important for nerve health. These vitamins help produce and maintain nerve cells, and a deficiency can lead to nerve damage. Whole grains are also a good source of fiber, which helps promote healthy digestion and can reduce inflammation in the body. Additionally, whole grains have a low glycemic index, which means they release glucose slowly into the bloodstream, helping to regulate blood sugar levels and prevent nerve damage from high blood sugar. Incorporating whole grains into your diet can be as simple as choosing whole grain bread, pasta, or rice instead of refined versions. Number 8. Lean protein. Eating lean protein sources such as chicken, turkey, and fish can help repair and maintain nerve cells. These proteins are high in amino acids, which are the building blocks of proteins and are essential for nerve function and repair. Lean proteins are also low in saturated fats, which can contribute to inflammation and nerve damage. Additionally, fish like salmon are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties and can help protect nerves from damage. And that's a wrap. Those were the top 8 foods to help support and protect your nerves. Remember, a healthy diet plays a huge role in your nerve health, so adding these foods into your meals can be an easy and delicious way to nourish your body and reduce the risk of nerve damage. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave us a comment below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and check out our previous videos for more helpful health and wellness tips. We'll see you in the next one. Take care and stay healthy.